A major court decision today in the battle over the $60 million fine Penn State was ordered to pay by the NCAA as a result of the Sandusky scandal. Senator Jake Corman wants the fine money to stay in Pennsylvania, but the NCAA has filed a court challenge, and today Commonwealth Court judges weighed in with a decision that's raising controversy about the university and the Board of Trustees. With more on the story, Jerry Sandusky joins us from our Center County newsroom. Gary?
Jen, this Commonwealth Court decision does stem from the lawsuit filed by Senator Jake Corman here in Center County, along with the state treasurer against the NCAA. One of the major rulings made by the court today is orders Penn State now to be a party in this lawsuit, and the court's president judge openly questioning that deal the university made with the NCAA that led to the $60 million fine. Senator Corman authored a law last year requiring Penn State's $60 million fine to be spent solely in Pennsylvania on child abuse prevention programs. The NCAA challenged the law. In today's ruling, Commonwealth Court says the law is constitutional, but the NCAA doesn't have to abide by it, at least yet. Senator Corman telling us, though, the ruling is a big victory. The court also ordered Penn State to be a party to the suit because the court wants to further examine whether the university and the NCAA acted legally when they entered into the consent decree following the Free Report. That decree included the $60 million fine. But even in a dissenting opinion, the court's president judge, Dan Pellegrini, writes he's bewildered that Penn State trustees entered into the agreement with the NCAA. Judge Ann Covey added that the consent decree recognizes the NCAA's questionable involvement and dubious authority pertaining to a criminal act. She's referring to Jerry Sandusky's child abuse case. And again, Senator Jake Corman was joined by State Treasurer Rob McCord in that suit. Today's ruling certainly keeps the suit alive while raising questions about Penn State's involvement with the NCAA that led to the consent decree. Senator Corman today, this afternoon, telling us his next step now is to confer with his legal counsel to see how best to respond to today's ruling from Commonwealth Court. We're live in Center County. Gary Sanderson, 6 News.